Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Today we'll discuss an example on either Legender or a Rodrigue, we can say. If it has been asked by Legender, then prove that this is equal to this, it is possible. If it has been asked by Rodrigue also, it is possible. So both Legender and Rodrigue are possible in this case. Okay, so let us go through the results of example which we solved in previous video. As per that, we can see the results are here. If you use Rodrigue, then also we get these results, and if you use Legender polynomial, then also we get the same results. We can see same dicto results, exact results. Therefore, first I'll write down. We know that P naught of x is equal to 1. Okay, therefore 1 is equal to P naught of x. P1 of x is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to P1 of x. Then P2 of x is equal to either by Rodrigue or by Legender. P2 of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Therefore, x square is equal to, calculation, just modification to get x square. X square is equal to 1 divided by 3 into P naught of x plus 2 divided by 3 into P2 of x. Okay, so P3 of x is equal to, as per the calculation part, P3 of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. Therefore, x cube is equal to 2 divided by 5 P3 of x plus 3 divided by 5 into P1 of x. Fine. Either by using Rodrigue or by using Legender, both are same. The results will remain same. So these are the results. We can use it to get a solution. Our example is with P2 and P3, means we may go with P2 or we may go with P3. So for that, what to do? The first example I'll be taking, keep it in a mind, either it may come by Legender or it may come by Rodrigue. Don't be panic, both the polynomial results are same. Fine. So here what we do, to show that P2 of cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 1 plus 3 times cos 2 theta. Let us consider in this case, you can see we have P2 of x. So put x is equal to cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. In the result, P2 of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Okay. Therefore, what happens? Put x is equal to cos theta. Then we will be getting P2 into cos theta is equal to, you can see 1 divided by 2 into 3 times x square. But x is equal to cos theta. So it is cos square theta minus 1. But we know that this is 1 divided by 2 into 3 times. How do you write cos square? Cos square is nothing but, I'll be taking here, we know that cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 into 3 times 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 minus 1. Therefore, P2 of cos theta is equal to, if you take 2 as LCM, then it is 1 divided by 2 into 3 into 1 3 plus 3 times cos 2 theta divided by 2 minus 2. Therefore, P2 of cos theta is equal to 2 into 2 4. So it is 1 by 4 into 3 minus 2 will be 1 plus 3 into cos 2 theta. Therefore, this is the required result. They told us to prove this, and this is the result. Similarly, second one. So show that P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 times cos 3 theta. Fine. Again, let us follow the same thing. Put x is equal to cos theta in P3. P3 of x is equal to, what is P3 of x? P3 of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. 5x cube minus 3x. Fine. Let us substitute and calculate. Then we get P3 of x is equal to what? P3 of x is nothing but cos theta is equal to P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5 times x cube. X is nothing but cos theta, so it is cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta. Fine. Then let us take it as P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5 times. So we should understand what is the meaning of cos cube theta first. We know that cos cube theta is nothing but cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta divided by 4. Fine. Therefore, this is equal to 5 times. This is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta divided by 4 minus 3 into cos theta. Therefore, if you take LCM, then it becomes 1 divided by 8 into 5 times cos 3 theta plus 5 into 3, 15 cos theta. Take a LCM, then it becomes 12 cos theta. Therefore, this is equal to, further it will be equal to, you can see here, further it will be equal to P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 8 into 5 times cos 3 theta, then 15 cos theta minus 12 cos theta will be plus 3 cos theta. So this is again the second required result. So as they said, prove or show that this by using either Legendre or Rodrik. What to do? First you have to write the polynomial, and as per the requirement P2 of x and P3 of x are required. So use these results. In that result you put x is equal to cos theta and go for its calculation to get a required solution. So this is the way to get a solution. Thank you.